po si Digong Tutuyan on the go. DIY, do it yourself, all chains. Ito po kami sa Toronto ngayon. Kanyang crocodile jack. Ito mga gamit. So stay tuned. Dinudukot ng oil filter. We're now in the removal of oil filter. There you go. Now is the draining of the oil. See, there you go. See the dirty oil there, guys. And this is the filter. Ano? The gasket and the...
Good morning mga kapadyak. Ala tayong ride ngayon. Change oil tayo.
Oh, DIY to. Tutuyan po. Subscribe, click and share.
Yun. Thank you.
Hindi kong Tutuyan po. Toronto. Mga padyak boys.